How do you do sidechain compression in Studio One 4? First, add a compressor to the track that you want to be affected. One way to do it is to bring up the mixer. Click this plus icon on the track that you want to be the source, and in the sidechains drop-down, choose the compressor that we just added. A quicker way to do it is to click this arrow and choose your source track. The send will be created automatically. If you click this icon, then the send will now be pre-fader. This allows you to change the volume without the sidechain compression being affected.